Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Genie door opener is not responding properly, having trouble with remotes, or showing unexpected behavior, a factory reset can often help bring everything back to normal. Stored settings and communication problems may occasionally affect the performance of the Genie door opener, making it difficult to operate smoothly. Fortunately, restoring the unit to its default settings is usually a straightforward process and doesn't require advanced tools. A reset can also be useful if you're replacing accessories or setting up the system again from scratch. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help you successfully factory reset your Genie door opener. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Genie door opener is receiving power and is not operating. Step 2. Find the program or reset button on the Genie door opener unit. Step 3. Press and hold the reset control on the Genie door opener to begin clearing stored information. Step 4. Allow the Genie door opener enough time to complete the reset process. Step 5. Pair remotes and wireless accessories with the Genie door opener again if needed. Step 6. Test the Genie door opener and confirm that it is functioning normally after the reset.